I want to talk a little bit about options that you have as a business owner when you have a disgruntled employee who is posting all over social media negative things about you and your company. So I am currently representing a business that's dealing with this current situation. The business had terminated that employee for time theft, and the employee has essentially decided to take the low road and complain and be as outspoken as possible about their alleged slights at the business. What are your options as a business owner when you have this type of situation? For example, if the disgruntled employee, former employee, would post something on LinkedIn, then you have an option to report that comment to LinkedIn if it is against their policy. The content cannot be abusive or defamatory against anyone. So it's important to report the posting and have LinkedIn take it down. Another next step could be filing a police report. If the former employee is harassing the business owner via telephone or text, then it's absolutely permissible for the business owner to go to the police and file a police report to have it on record. The client, the business, asked me, can we go and get an injunction against this person? And my answer to them was, unfortunately, the standard for actually having a judge institute an injunction is so high that you have to do many things before that to try to rid yourself of that person's harm. For example, filing a police report might just be one of those things along a whole slew of things that individual can do. Again, if the person shows up solicited at the office wanting to make a problem, again, time to call the police. If they have no business being there, they have no business being there. And the other thing is that this particular former employee has been threatening other employees, current employees at the business. The new employee who was hired to replace the old employee, her arrival was announced on LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, the disgruntled employee wrote a terrible post about this particular individual. I recommended to the business owner that not only should they, as the business, report this to LinkedIn, but they should also have the individual who it's directly aimed at, the new employee, should also report it to LinkedIn. In conclusion, there are a number of steps that you can take as a business owner to protect yourself and create a paper trail when you're dealing with disgruntled employees. It's a very tough situation, not a situation where one size fits all. So I highly recommend that you give us a call and see what's what so that we can take a look at the situation and see how to make it better.